Guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to go over what happened in the market and do a market review on the euro dollar here on the 30th of September. So if you see here, we're on the daily chart. Price has been very bearish, but you see now here we took out these lows on the 28th and we started trading higher the last couple of days. I had these areas and premium array targets for areas of liquidity for the market as a target and a magnet to come up to. And we started trading up into towards these zones. So I'm expecting higher prices as we continue to come to this. I think this is a 1 hour fair value gap. And then this is a daily fair value gap up here. So we drop down to the 5-minute today, this morning, New York session, just before 8:30 open. You see we're getting prices from London. We had a big run down. And if you see here, just as the market's open, we have this sell side liquidity area here. There's no really relative equal lows. This is kind of close, but this would be the last swing low. So this would kind of be a small area of liquidity. So we're waiting for our next optimal time of 9:30 New York AM to look for another possible entry. So we play the price forward. I don't know what this line is, probably an old low or something. We play price forward. You see here. Now, about this time, you have relatively equal lows here. So this is now definitely valid and even more of a higher probability as an area of liquidity. So this would be your sell side liquidity here. Now we're looking for these equal lows to be taken out. So you have money resting below here in these areas. So we want a stop on runs on stop hunts here in order to get a good price in order to buy back up since we're anticipating higher prices. Now, let's wait for our 9:30 optimal time to happen where the equity market's open. Boom, takes it out there. So sell side has been taken. Now we're waiting for a displacement and a minor structure shift. Now, how we can see that is I like to use the line graph so you can see where the previous swing high is. And as if you see here, there's this previous swing high. So we mark that as our structure waiting to be broken. Come back. As we play price forward, starts being broken there. Now we're waiting for a displacement or a big push up to create a fair value gap. Waiting. There's a push there. Now we have to wait for the next candle to see if a gap forms. No, price fills in there. Push up. Actually, you know what? I messed up here. Huh. Let's go back to when market structure was broken. Here. So once we get this break here, you probably want to drop it down to the 1 minute and wait for a gap, a big substantial gap to form. So you see here, this was broken here. Let me show you guys. So here's our minor structure break. this line here. Next candle closes, we create this fair value gap here, from this wick to this wick here. Now you can wait for your long position here or just inside this box. Stops would be placed here or about, I would probably go below this candle just to be safe. Now, how will we know where to set our take profit? Well, we can look to the left and try to find areas of buy side liquidity where people would have a trailing stop loss on any sells. So this area would be one possible. Then if you look here, we have relatively equal highs from these highs to this high here, here. So that's another possible take profit area. You can also look for previous market gaps like this here. And then also like this here, which I had marked up already, or even anywhere in this area. As areas where you can target. So right now, this would be 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4. Now I'm going to set it here as the highest point here. Now you ultimately overall we could run up here, but you just want to take your pips for the day and go. Don't get greedy. This is where your psychology comes in. So depending on your position size, as you continue to hit these marks, you can start closing your profits and taking partials. So let's move this closer. Gets triggered in here in profit. Taps in again, you can enter there. Get price forward. As you can see, we were in a little heat here as it dipped into there, but that's all right. Our stops were safe. Well, about 11 or 12 pips there. Let's move this over. And bam. Take profit hit there for 55 pips. And then we take our money and we go. So that's the basic rundown on today's possible entries. I was at work this morning, so I did not play, and it is the end of the month, end of Friday, so I generally don't like to trade on Fridays or the end of the month. But looking back on this is how you would have traded today. We had equal lows being created, liquidity taken out here. Then we have our market structure shift with a displacement or fair value gap. We set our entry or market execution. You could do a buy limit or market execution here, targeting previous areas of imbalances or liquidity as well. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, hit that like button and subscribe. It helps me out. It's free and it gives the algorithm and lets you know next time I'm posting newer videos and newer content. Feel free to leave a comment below if you're interested in joining my Telegram group as well. We have that. It's a private mastermind group, the Market Militia Telegram chat. where we help each other level up, answer any questions and stuff like that. It's a very exclusive group. So just comment below if you'd like some more information on that. Or you can also follow me on Instagram at FX Andrew Capital. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, stay safe.